today I'm going to show you guys something really cool. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can make a logo on your t-shirt, just like this. As you can see, this logo right here I made it myself. You'll be able to make any logo that you want on top of a t-shirt at the end of this video. I made this logo right here. It's the Black Lives Matter logo. It's really popular nowadays. That's why I make this logo right here. You don't have to make this logo right here though. You can just use it as an example to make your own logo. So at the end of this video, you'll be able to make any logo on top of your t-shirt. With that said, you may be wondering what material that I use to make this logo right here. I use those things. We call those things is the fabric paint. I got it in the art store. It's really cheap. It costs $5 one. Just one, you get a $5, and then there is multiple color. You can get the red, any color you want, so you can make any logo that you want. So it's really cheap and it's really good. As you can see, the black and white. This is the white one is this white part right here, and then the black is this black part right here. In my previous video, people was asking how did I make the logo on top of my t-shirt. So this video is a response to that. I even got a comment. People were asking in my first video on how you can make a logo on top of a t-shirt. So just so you guys know, I really pay attention on the comments. So if you guys have any question, leave it in the comment. I'll respond it to you guys. And also, there's a lot of people that are protesting nowadays about the Black Lives Matter. So that's why, and this is so popular. That's why I thought, okay, let me just use the Black Lives Matter logo to demonstrate how you guys can make a logo on top of a t-shirt. And I also got a new setup. I hope you guys like it, and I really like this this setup right here. It looks really good compared to my previous video. Speaking to my previous video, I really recommend you guys to watch my my last video that I posted on how to draw faster, and it will really help you to draw this this video right here. I'll link the video down below so you guys can check that out. I really highly recommend you guys watch my previous video on how to draw faster. It will help you guys to make this logo right here. Alright, without further ado, let's get to the video. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how to do the logo on the table right here. I got the t-shirt right here, and I got the white and black fabric paint, and I got the paintbrush, and I also got the pen right here. So what I'm gonna do, as you can see, I already draw the logo shape right here. As you can see, I use this pen to draw this shape, but you don't need to use this pen. You can use anything that can write and draw a logo on top of the t-shirt. It doesn't have to be a pen. It can be a pencil or a pen, or wherever you got that's capable of drawing the logo shape like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take the white fabric paint. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna put it right here, just like that. I'm gonna put it back right here, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm going to paint it like this. So when you paint, right, you do not want to erase the line, those line, the drawing line. We don't want to erase them. So we want to paint inside, but don't, just make sure you don't cover the line, just like this. Yeah, just like that. So when you finish painting this little part right here, this is how it's gonna look like. So when you finish painting the logo, this is how it's gonna look like. Obviously, it does not look good, right? It does not look good at all. But again, this is only the in the process. We are not done yet, not just yet. So what you need to do, you need to add more layer on top. When I mean more layer, you need to paint on top. When you need to paint first and wait for it to dry, and then once it's dry, you want to paint it again, so the white can be punchier. What happened is the white fabric paint is not as punchier because it's just one layer. Has more layer you add, the punchier the white will be, and then the beautiful it will look. So I'm going to demonstrate right here. I'm gonna put the fabric paints right here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm going to paint it. You see the part that I just painted, it just a little bit punchier compared to the other part. You can see this part is just more the white is more punchier compared to other side. That's what you want to do. The more layer you add, the punchier the color will be. So basically, once you finish painting this part, you add the second layer. This is how it's gonna look like. I'll show you. This is how it's gonna look like. This is the second layer. See how punchier the white look? And we are not done yet. What you need to do, you need to take, you see you have the black fabric paint right here. You need to take the black fabric paint. You want to paint it. You want to put some right here. So basically all you need to do is just put more color in those lines, so you can those lines can be all with those lines can be painted too. So you see, once you paint with the black one, the line will be darker. So as you add layer on the white, you also need to add layer on the black line. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to add the second layer, the third layer, sorry. You see, as I add more layer, the punchier the whiter gets, the white color gets. Sorry, I'm going to paint it like this. So yeah, you want to keep adding more layer, so the white color can be more punchier. So in my case, I think I'll add maybe 3 or 4 more layer. So basically, once you finish adding the third layer, this is how it's gonna look like. I'll show you. Sure, and then it looks really beautiful. You see, all you need to do is just adding layer. So this is the third layer. I would really recommend you guys to when you use the fabric paint, the maximum layer is 4th layer. You don't want to pass 5, because when you reach 5, what's gonna happen is, because the t-shirt has too much fabric paint, it's just gonna be like, what can I say, it's gonna be hard for you to it just won't looks good because it's way too heavy. You know what I'm saying? The best way is to paint it on use only 4th layer. Don't pass the 5th layer. 5th layer you won't look it will look over punchier. So in my case, I'll finish on the 3rd layer. So this is my 3rd layer. Now you can see how beautiful it looks. It looks really beautiful. Oh, and don't forget those black line here, right? You need to paint those black line using this one. You paint like this. So don't forget the dark lines. Don't forget those lines, because once you add more layer on, if you add first layer, as you add layer on the white one, sorry, you also need to add the layer on the black line using the black fabric paint. Alright guys, this is it. This is how you can make your logo on your t-shirt. Pretty easy, right? So basically I'm going to wait like 4 up to 3 hours for it to completely dry, and then once it's dry, don't worry though, it won't change the color. It will look exactly the same, just like this. So basically what you need to do, every time you add a layer, you need to wait at least I'll say wait at least 3 hours for it to dry, and then add the second layer. Once you add the second layer, wait another 3 hours, at least 3 hours, and then add the third layer. So this is my third layer. I'm really happy with it. I'm not gonna add the fourth layer. So I'm just gonna wait like 3 hours for it to completely dry, and then after that, then you're good to go. And keep in mind that this logo is waterproof. You can put this t-shirt in the machine to wash, or you can wash it. It will still maintain the same exact color. The color won't go away, because these are the fabric paints. They are not normal color. So again, this is the easiest way to make the logo on your t-shirt. Thank you guys for making it to the end. I really appreciate it. If you like to see an awesome video like this one, hopefully it was, please remember, share, like, subscribe. That will help me a lot, and I really appreciate it. And please check out my Instagram page. I will link that down below. and I always post some interesting stuff, and it's really fun. I really appreciate you guys to check that out. And yeah, my name is Bill. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.